The keyboard works really well. If you like keyboards that give you nice key feel when you press it, you will like this keyboard. This keyboard has become my main keyboard. I have a couple other gaming keyboards and so far I like this one the best. I wasn't 100% sure about the Tenkeyless and I'm still not 100% sold on it, but the compact size has been very helpful with the space on my desk. I have a rather large mousepad and occasionally other things on my desk that previously caused me to continuously shuffle things around to get more comfortable to type, or more space of my keyboard, trying to shift my mousepad closer. I couldn't really get a comfortable setup up going with the full-size keyboard I was previously using. As for the switches, I love them. The previous keyboard I used with blue switches was getting unbelievably annoying. God forbid someone called me when I was on the computer. The brown switches on my other keyboard were nice too. However, I think these keys are probably my favorite. They're fire enough that they give me a satisfying click but still smooth enough to maintain my efficiency. Additionally, the aluminum body is so nice. It feels so durable and high quality. I'm a big fan of things that I can care for and keep a long time, and this keyboard feels like it's going to hold up well. Plus, it gives the keyboard a nice weight. The keyboard has feel on the bottom, 2 sets. So depending on which ones you use, you can either have the keyboard flat, slightly elevated, or more dramatically angled. I like the medium angle the best, so this added feature worked out in my favor. If I were to change anything, I might get the full-size keyboard, but I am still not 100% sure on that. The one thing I wish is that were easier to find a wrist rest appropriate for the size these keyboard. Mine came with cherry browns. Nice and heavy. Keys are not too loud. The keys with the cherry brown in them have a distinct feel. Very clicky in a really great way. I won't go back now that I have tried a mechanical keyboard. The lights are cool and easy to set. Came with red keys that are textured. 12, 34 and WASD keys. It is way smaller than the MSI DS4200 that I had. Gives me more room around it. The top portion of the keyboard is metal and feels great. I could feel the difference when I played different FPS games. If you're looking for an amazing keyboard for gaming and typing, this is it. Good, feels solid, well made and buttons seem durable. Good features. Looks vibrant. Explosion option really cool. Hit function F3 and light goes up. Metal frame makes it heavy and it does not move when typing. Easy to customize. Soft to touch. Reacts quickly. Bad, lights up when you press a button and could be distracting for some people. Cord is small but can be expanded by purchasing a longer cord. If you are. It is in our shared home office. With everyone's different quirks, we can all agree that this keyboard is awesome. Firstly, let me start by saying that I got the Origins Core 10 keyless with Aqua switches. My first impressions out of the box were, if I were to sum it up, I was simply blown away. I buy keyboards around this price because it's usually not a big deal for me as long as the switches are good, it has good build quality, and the reviews are good. This is my first keyboard made from aluminum alloy and it looks and feels incredible. The pictures do not do this keyboard justice. Not to mention, the RGB is phenomenal and looks so clean. For $80 alone, the deck and RGB are two solid features that would make me buy this again if I had to. By far my most anticipated feature while waiting for this to arrive were the Aqua switches. I can't really describe the feel because it is something you have to try FOPR yourself. However, I will say that they feel mostly tactile but ever so slightly linear. But oh man, let me tell you, they feel so good when typing and playing. Think of Cherry MX Reds mixed with brown switches that also has a nice cushion and beautiful sound with each click. In short, I am extremely satisfied with this product and would go out and buy it again if something happened. Also, I replaced my keycaps with Hyper PBT double shot pudding caps. I absolutely love this keyboard because it is the most boring keyboard ever. There are no edgy gamer designs or extra keys that I will never use. The build quality is absolutely solid with the heavy steel backplate and the solid feet. The underside is made of plastic but it is very solid. Nothing about this keyboard feels hollow and cheap. I have been using this keyboard for a year and a half and feel like it could easily rock on for another 10. There are no macro buttons and all the keycaps are standard size. These are genuine Cherry switches, which means you are getting one of the best typing experiences. It also means you can toss on any custom keycap set you want, which you may want to do because although the ABS keycaps this keyboard comes with are nice, it does not compare to PBT. One of my favorite features about this keyboard is that there is no lip surrounding the keyboard. The understated design allowed me to customize this keyboard to an aesthetic I liked using vinyl and other weird materials. The only thing I would change is the LED color choice. I just wish they made it white or RGB. If you are a person that just want a nice regular mechanical keyboard that's not too flashy, this is the keyboard for you. Nice red LEDs, a few effects. The only issue is the charging port for your phone cannot be used as a USB port to connect accessories like a mouse. It will charge anything you connect. Click link in description for more reviews.